Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is section 4.1 of Miss Quinn's geometry. Today we're going to start with reflecting a point over a line and reflecting a point on a line. For a point P that's not on my line, the reflection is going to happen over the line. And what I'm going to do is measure with my protractor. I'm going to stick my both my 90-degree dash mark and my center dash mark on the line. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes through P, through the line. Does everybody see that? And then I'm going to measure between P and my line, and I have 3 inches. So now I'm going to go measure 3 inches on the other side. And this new point is going to be called P prime. So for my terminology, this is my pre-image, and this is my image. Now, notice that this line M becomes the perpendicular bisector of this new line right here. So let's read the definition. For point P not on the line, the reflection of P over the line is point Q, or P prime, if and only if M is the perpendicular bisector of PQ. For point on M, the reflection over the line is simply going to be P itself. So just so we don't become confused, I'm going to always use the same letter. I'm just going to use a prime. So P is going to equal P prime when it's on the line. Okay. Again, the pre-image is your original. That's where you begin. In our case right here, the pre-image was P. The image is P prime. After we do the reflection over the line, or line of reflection, we end up at the new image. A transformation is a correspondence between sets of points such that each set in the pre-image has a set that's unique in the image, and each point in the image has exactly one and only one pre-image. It just means that there's a one-to-one correspondence between my points. Let's try one more example of this. I want to draw a reflection image A prime over line N. So I'm going to do it the exact same way. I'm going to line up my protractor with the dash marks to make sure that I'm making a 90-degree angle. I see that the dash marks goes through 90 and through the center of my line here. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes up. And then I'm going to measure the distance between A and my line, and again it's exactly 3 inches. And then I measure 3 inches going the other direction, and this new point is my A prime. Alright, for tomorrow I'd like you to try that process on your own. If you'd like to, there's a section in the beginning of 4.1 in the textbook that goes through these steps one by one. Oops, went the wrong direction. So you can read that if it helps you. Before tomorrow, I'd like you to take a piece of paper and make a line P and reflect K that's above it over it. And show me K prime. And I'll see you tomorrow.